Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. In this purple mystery box we have some math and your job is to figure out what that math is. You can pause this video and go to the link in the description to get to this page where you can put in as many numbers as you like at the top and see how they're transformed as they come out the bottom. And use that information to determine what's inside the mystery box. When you think you've got an answer, come on back, listen to the rest of the video, and see if I get what you got. All right, let's begin. We're going to start with a 0. 0 gives us -1/2. Let's try a 1. So we've got, 0.166 repeating. Is that like 1/6 maybe? I think, something like that. Let's try a 2. Aha, so this is a curve and not a line. Looks like we got 2 and 1/6 there. Let's see if this is symmetrical. Let's put in a -1. We get 1/6 there. Yeah, it looks like we do. And a -2. Okay, well that is looking very much like a parabola, although it looks like a couple of things maybe have been done to it. If this is the vertex here, it's been moved down, well, by 1/2. So I'm just going to jot the form for a parabola up here. So f of x equals x squared, I'm leaving some space here, and then -1/2 is going to move that vertex down from the origin 1/2. So I think that's how it ends. But I also think there might be something multiplying here, because otherwise we wouldn't get these strange looking numbers, these sixths here. And this does look a little bit wider than your standard f of x equals x squared. So what could the multiplier be? Since we're getting these units in sixths, I think maybe we're multiplying by, but we're subtracting a half. So we're either multiplying by sixths or we're multiplying by thirds. Well, let me just trial and error this a little bit. My best guess, just looking at this, how wide it is that maybe this is 2/3. So if we had 2/3 times x squared minus 1, what would we get there? Let's put in 1. That's a good spot to look at it, because then 2/3 times, well, 1 squared is just 1, so 2/3 times 1 minus 1/2. So this comes down to 2/3 minus 1/2. And let's put those into sixths. So that's 4/6. 2/3 is 4/6, and 1/2 is 3/6. And 4/6 minus 3/6 is 1/6. And I think that's what this number is here. So it seems to work with 1, and it would work the same with -1. Let's just put in let's try another number and predict. Let's try a 3. So if we put in a 3, we're going to have 2/3 times 3 squared minus 1/2. So 3 squared is 9. And then when we multiply that by 2/3, we're dividing by 3 and multiplying by 2. That'd be 6. So 6 minus 1/2, it should be 5.5 if we put in a 3 there. So let's give that a try. Let's put in a 3 and see if we get 5.5. Oops. Aha, okay, I think we're onto something there. And you could go ahead and try this crunching out the numbers with another couple of points, but I think this matches what I'm seeing. So I think our multiplier is definitely 2/3. So let's put that in here. And our final answer here is f of x equals 2/3 x squared minus 1/2. So let's see if we're right on that one. Very good. We have 2/3 x squared minus 1/2. We were right on that one. And let's go ahead and graph this as well. Yeah, a nice wide parabola that's been moved down a half a space from the origin. Well, I don't think that was easy. Those numbers, all those long decimals, you don't get the fractions here in our chart. So it's a pretty tricky one to figure out the multiplier for. How did that go for you? Did you know this was going to be a parabola? And were you able to get the multiplier? If so, how did you do it? I'd be interested to hear. Thanks, everybody.